Hey everyone, and welcome to ChineseSkill Unit 29. In this unit, we're going to learn how to describe some of the people that are in our social life. So let's begin by taking a look at the words for husband and wife. In formal situations and in written Chinese, we say 丈夫 for husband and 妻子 for wife. Whereas in spoken Chinese, husband is said 老公 and wife is 老婆. And between friends, you can also refer to someone's significant other by saying something like 她的老公, her husband, or 小李的老婆, 小李's wife. A common question that comes up when talking about those in our social life, someone plus 人 plus 怎么样. Literally, this means, what is someone's person like? Or how are they as a person? This speaks on to their moral character, whether or not they have integrity, are they courageous, loyal. So you can ask, 他人怎么样? To mean, what is he like, or what kind of person is he? If the someone in question is a good person, you can say, 他人很好. And this basically means he or she is very kind. We can also answer this question using simple adjectives like 懒, which means lazy. So how would you just simply say, he is very lazy? 他很懒. 他很懒. He's very lazy. Good job. Now, if you wanted to ask about someone's personality, we can use this structure. Someone plus 性格 plus 怎么样. Literally, 性格 means personality, and two common personality types in Chinese are 内向, introverted, and 外向, extroverted. So if I asked you, 你室友性格怎么样? What's your roommate's personality like? How could you simply say, my roommate is very introverted? 我室友很内向. 我室友很内向. My roommate is very introverted. And how would you say, my older brother is very extroverted? 我哥哥很外向. 我哥哥很外向. My older brother is very extroverted. Good job. Looking back at the word 室友 for roommate, the second character, 友, means friend, which can also be used to form many other words that refer to some fellow person. One of the most common being 朋友, which is the full noun for friend. And do you still remember how to say boyfriend and girlfriend? Boyfriend is 男朋友, and girlfriend is 女朋友. Now let's introduce a few new ones here. 校友, literally school friend, means alumni, and 战友 means war buddy or battle partner. So how would you ask someone, my girlfriend is a very kind person? 我女朋友人很好. 我女朋友人很好. My girlfriend is very kind. Good job. I do want to mention here the difference between boyfriend or girlfriend when compared with just a male or female friend. For a male friend, we can say 男性朋友. 男性朋友. A male friend. So can you guess how to say a female friend? 女性朋友. 女性朋友. A friend who is a girl. Good job. Next, I want to introduce a new word, 同. 同 means same in Chinese. And if you've ever come across the words for coworker or classmate, 同 may seem familiar. People who work in the same place can be referred to as your 同事, which means coworker. And similarly, someone who studies in the same class as you is called your 同学 or your classmate. 聪明 means smart. So how would you say, my classmate is very smart? 我同学很聪明。我同学很聪明。My classmate is very smart. Good. Now, let's look at a couple more adjectives that are commonly used to describe people. 帅 means handsome, and 漂亮 means pretty. So how would you say, my coworker is very handsome? 我同事很帅。我同事很帅。My coworker is very handsome. And how would you say, my wife is very pretty? 我老婆很漂亮。我老婆很漂亮。My wife is very pretty. Bye bye.